All right, guys, doing a quick video because I couldn't find any of these online. So I happened to stumble across a Facebook thread that linked the right product. So if you need to replace your thermal probe, here's the stock one for the Blackstone 2-in-1 for this guy. If your thermal probe's having problems, I've had this one for 2 years, used it a lot. My thermal probe's pretty well busted. It's bent, it's wobbly in the casing. Just time for a new one. Here's the parts. RTD thermal probe. But to get to it, and I'll put a link for it. I got it off Amazon. It was only 10 bucks. That's what it is. It was like 10 bucks. Super cheap. But to get to it, there's a screw here on the front. Move the lid forward. Screw there on the back. Those two screws hold this whole assembly on. You will have to remove 4 screws for your catch pan to release that. Actually, I don't know if you really have to, but I did. But you probably don't really have to. But those 2 screws in the front and the back release this whole assembly, and you will need to pull this off to be able to get the sensor out. The sensor itself just has 2 screws holding it on. There's a little rubber gasket in here, but this thing's toast. This is not good anymore. But the wires are just routed through. There's one hole here in the back. You can see that. One hole there in the back. Pops out this grommet. This whole assembly has this little cover on it that sits right here, and there's a screw on the top and the bottom. And then you just unhook the old one, thread it through, feed it up through here, pull it out, and then you can go ahead and install your new one. So that's all you got to do. It's super simple. It's really hot. It's like 90 degrees here, so we're sweating pretty good, but that's all you need to do. It's pretty simple. It's a pretty straightforward process. This one is almost exactly identical. Focus, there we go. Exactly identical to the original, and you got your little rubber gasket in here too. That's all. So now here is your new thermal probe installed. So you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws up here. This screw, this one, and this one. Those 3 hold your tray up, so you can probably leave those ones on, but you will need to at least take off this one, and that one. There's your wire fed through there. New thermal probe. All these screws are mounted back up, and then here is the rear. And you just clip right in. You tuck your wires in, grab your cover, fish it all in. Do it one-handed. Get it all stuffed in there. Those are your screws. Oh, didn't lose it. We're good. There you go. Get it started. There you go. Put your screw back there. That cover will be on. You can put it back together, and you're good to go.